to Orlando. The local time is 12:33 p.m. You'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. Remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all items stowed until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Use caution when you open the overhead compartments. You may now use your mobile phones and small lightweight devices. On behalf of United, our Airlines partners, and your entire flight crew, thank you for flying the friendly skies with us today. We hope you got a pleasant experience. We look forward to serving you again on another United flight. Enjoy your stay.